what a lovely summer we're having. Today I'm in Dunheved Road and I've got the pleasure of selling this most characterful property. It has a surprise, is this garden. Loads of parking. Now, you never get loads of parking in Dunheved Road. There's a triple garage which is brick built probably the same time as the house, which did actually used to be part of a school. And there's 4 first floor bedrooms, a shower room up there and a family bathroom that's got a shower in as well. On the ground floor you've got a large kitchen diner and a little snug room and a big living room with the high ceilings that you would expect for the type of property that we're selling here. And then you've got this garden that I'm sitting in at the moment and say all this parking. If you'd like to find out